You ask, we answer. Red one, 2020 Golf GTI 7.5. He wants to know if we would advise him. It's only got 84,000 kilos. Is that high mileage?
Nope.
Not for that car.
No.
He wants to know if you'd be going forward or backwards, in our opinion, by buying the new Golf 8.5 TFSI.
Yeah.
What engine has that got?
That's a 1.4 liter turbo, 4-cylinder, 110.
His question is, I'm going forward on tech, I'm going backwards naturally on performance. Is it worth it?
Honestly, no. Because as much as he's most probably seen the 8.5, he's seen the big screens inside, the digital dash, all those type of things. He's not going forward. One, power. The lack of power, he will feel it, especially jumping from the 7.5 GTI to the 8.5
The
TSI.
7.5 GTI, what, about 165, 170?
Yeah, I think it's 169 kilowatts.
169.
And 350 or 320 Newton meters. I've driven, it's a 2 liter, you can feel it. So power-wise, it's going to, you won't like the
It's got all the power you need.
Yeah, you won't like that 8.5. Spec-wise, in terms of technology, not really a big upgrade because, yes, maybe he has the smaller screen, but there's no need for the bigger screen that's found, the 12.9 inches found in the 8.5. So, and it's costly, that vehicle. It starts at, well, the R-Line, the one that I test drove recently, that specific spec was closer to 800,000 Rand. So
crazy.
Exactly. And it starts at 688 for the R-Line. You can get like a basic one, which is definitely not what he wants. So for me, you should stay with this GTI. Unless if he's selling it to me, then you can get the 8.5. But if he's not selling it to me, keep it.
He can be convinced. So standalone, Golf 8.5, excellent car.
Yeah.
Standalone, the Golf 7.5 GTI, a magnificent car.
Yeah.
To put in extra money to go backwards in terms of performance, just to say I've got the latest shape. Some people say, I don't care about the performance, I just want the latest. And when the new Golf 8.5 GTI maybe eventually makes its debut in South Africa.
If he really wants to get into like an 8th generation Golf, you can get a 8 GTI.
And that is magnificent.
That is magnificent.
Interesting, 7.5 to 8 as an alternative option, and I love that.
Yeah.
How much of a difference is there in the 8 to the 7.5?
Comfortability.
Yeah.
The seats are much better in the 8. You do get these features that you most probably want in the 8.5.
Right.
Like the screens are there, digital dash. It feels good. It is also looks a bit bigger. Design is different on the outside, but it's not really like a major upgrade. Even then, I'll tell you to stick to 7.5.
Interesting.
Yeah.
So there you found 3 options. Keep it, go backwards, or a happy middle ground if you got the itch, as we always say.
Yeah.
Golf 8 GTI, super.
Change Cars, SA's safest online vehicle platform. That's not an opinion, that's a fact.